Hey fans, it's me again. And I've got a question for you. Who do you think is the scariest Pokemon of them all? Gengar? No. Mimikyu? No. Cofagrigus? No. Yveltal? The legendary Pokemon of destruction? No. That's right, folks. It's Bewear. One of Team Rocket's strongest Pokemon that Ash has never exactly fought before. You see, Bewear is actually part of the Pokemon Sword and Shield series. And if you must know, he was with Team Rocket because, well, I think he's lonely and just wants a friend of his own. And just wants people to look after. But, yeah. Anyways, maybe he's lonely. I don't know why or how he finds their exact location, but maybe he's working with Team Rocket and he just doesn't know it. But, I don't even know if he is evil or not. But, if any Bewears come by your house and if they try to destroy you, run for your lives. And if they try to get near you, then you might want to run for your life. Trust me, it's horrifying. So anyways, when you start drawing him, you always start with his head. And then draw his really large palms at their paw print. Okay, so just draw his thing down here. Anyways, that's about it, folks. That is just how you draw Bewear. So, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Till then, I'll see you guys again soon.